Kiwis, one of the most underestimated fruit, I believe. I think it should be up there with the apples and bananas. Maybe a Gastronomeria original song about kiwis in the future. Who doesn't love kiwis? This bird is loving them hard. Look at the sheer joy on this woman's face, just slowly slicing kiwis in slow motion. Oh my God, look at her. And barbecue ribs. Who doesn't love barbecue ribs? Don't ask me, because I don't know. I know I love them. The smoke, the meat, the process, everything about them. I like them when they're spinning. I even love them when they're spinning with some floral arrangements and a glazy concoction. As long as they're spinning, really. What if we took these two amazing wonders of the world and combined them into one glorious creation? One, two, three, four, 5 kiwis. 5 peeled kiwis. And 5 chopped kiwis. What's over here? Oh, it's some garlic. Yes. Let's get a bunch of cloves, toss them on our board, and get the crushing and chopping. You know what I do. I smash. And then I smash. And then when I'm done smashing, I mince them up and throw them in a bowl. Let's speed it up and see what that looks like. The garlic saying, "Where's my buddy onion?" Well, hold your horses. Give me 1 second. Let me chop them right up for you. Ginger. Ginger is going to give it a nice profile of flavor. Some nice depth of flavor. So let's go ahead and peel it and smash it up in mince. You know the drill. We'll need some sweetness, so I'm going to go for brown sugar. I'm using sugar-free brown sugar to be exact. This one's a really nice alternative. Soy sauce, I don't know, about that much right in there. Maybe a little more, yeah. Sriracha sauce, yeah. Heck yeah, let's try that. That'll be really nice. Get yourself a nice rack of ribs. Any kind of ribs will do. These are my types. And yes, guys, I'm going to put that entire rack into that pot with all those ingredients. Fill it up with water and set it on my stovetop to a slow simmer, about medium-low heat. After a couple hours with the lid on, I'm going to check it because I know the bottom half of these ribs that are not sticking out are way cooked as opposed to these that you see sticking out. So I'm actually going to go ahead and flip it. Cover back on for a couple hours, and I'm just gonna watch those bones start popping out. That'll be my cue. Okay, guys, another 45 minutes have passed. It's hot. All right, hot. But look at this. You see these bones coming out right here? This is what we want. This is ready. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna remove it. You see, it's beautiful. And now this is gonna be our sauce. But before it's a sauce, it's a broth. But I wanna thicken it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn up the heat all the way to high. And I'm gonna start boiling it. But I'm gonna watch it so it doesn't boil over the pot and onto my stove. If it gets too high, I'll bring it back down. And I will be stirring it from time to time. Oh, look at this. A little kiwi fell out. Let's get it back in there. You got all the flavors from that wonderful meat included now into our kiwi, ginger, garlic, onion, soy sauce, brown sugar, delicious mixture. And we're gonna boil it down into a nice syrupy, almost barbecue saucy consistency. Not too thick, just enough to stick. Angry boil going, but it's not boiling over. Nice and thick consistency. Check this out. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Nice and thick and syrupy. Kiwi barbecue sauce. How awesome is that? Filter out all the bits. So we're just gonna dump it right there. Get it all. Gather around, children, and see what we've created. We took that strained liquid and put it into some Tupperware and put it in the fridge. And now the fat has separated. So let's go ahead and separate that fat even more by just completely removing it. And now we're gonna chop up some kiwi again really fast, and we're gonna add it to that liquid. So now we've got a true super duper kiwi sauce. Yeah. So the ribs are cooked now, and they've got some flavor infused from the boil, but we're gonna finish it off on the grill here. And as we're doing it, we're gonna go ahead and baste our super duper kiwi sauce all over it and make sure it kind of caramelizes and makes a bit of a crust. What's up, everybody? Kiwi
steak. Or no.
Come on, man.
Ribs.
Kiwi ribs. We're trying everything we can.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be a great combo because the kiwi adds a little bit of citrusy acid. You want that bounce of sweetness, a little bit of sourness, some smokiness. Salt is important, that's right. So, why don't we stop talking and start tasting?
That sounds like a
Do you guys want to know what this tastes like? Because I want to know what it tastes like. Do you?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
I got confused
All right.
because we normally are eating steak.
Yeah, we're normally eating steak, but you know what? Here on Gastronomeria, it's a world of gastronomic just exquisities. So let's just start with 2 each, and we're gonna take a look. It's got nice little chunks of kiwi on it too. So you saw how we made it. Really simple, guys. If you don't, I was about to do it the other day, and it was raining, but you can actually just do this under your broiler, or just pump your oven up really high and just kind of like baste it, with your kiwi sauce that I made. And that's good. It's gonna be good. You wanna give it a shot?
Yeah, it smells really good.
All right, guys. I've never done this before. I just woke up one morning. I was like, kiwi ribs. Why not? Let's do it. You ready?
Yep.
Cheers. Here's to hoping this doesn't suck.
Oh.
Wow! The flavors work together perfectly. I'm not a great chef, I make no claim, but I like when things balance out perfectly. This
Yeah, you can taste all the smokiness and sweetness from the fruit.
Yeah, because I did it over wood charcoal. But the kiwi, I don't know why I haven't heard of this before. It's the perfect ingredient for barbecue ribs. Because when you think of barbecue sauce, you think of sweet, right? A lot of sugar, sour, sometimes a little fruity. But in this fruit itself, in the kiwi, it has all those essences already. Plus, that nice little tropical flavor. It works so well. And pork just pairs so well with fruit. Guys, it's easy. I boiled it in the ingredients with some ginger, some other stuff.
The seeds are my favorite part of the kiwi because it gives it that crunch as well.
Yeah. So I already boiled it, and it was already infused with all the flavor. And then I just, crispened it up.
The fruit makes it makes it really easy to taste the smokiness.
Yeah, because the smoke kind of attaches itself to the fruit and the fat and everything in it. But anyway, guys, check this out. It's so easy. I didn't have to watch the smoker for 12 hours or anything. I like to kiss. So I didn't have to sit there watching the smoker, making sure it wasn't dry. I boiled it until it wasn't, not falling apart. I don't want it to fall apart. I still want to bite into it, but not have it be dry. And then I knew it was ready. So it was infused with all this flavor. And then you saw what I did. I put it in the fridge. I scooped up the fat, the pork fat that was boiled into the sauce. And I just chopped up more kiwis into it. Spread it on top. Beautiful. Impress your friends.
Already finished.
Impress your family. Look at that. Impress your significant whoever you got. Or your dog. I have a significant dog. 2 actually. Well, anyway, can we say something nice to the nice people watching in YouTube land?
Thank you for viewing.
Thank you for viewing and
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe, he said. I understood his language. But anyway, we love y'all. We're gonna be bringing more stuff. Stay tuned. Battle of the Beef is coming up. A new challenger emerges. It's gonna be awesome. Wait and see who it is. I bet you will not know.
Peace.
Peace. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And
And bye.
bye.